Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to record screen in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to record screen in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First we enter our PowerPoint on the computer. Create a new work page. Delete it first. Then we enter the Insert menu. Go to the right then. Select Screen Recording. Now here it will automatically enter the main page of the laptop. Here select to select the area to be recorded. And to select the entire record. Tap Select Area. And select all areas of the screen. Tap Record here to start recording. Here it has started recording. When finished, point the cursor up. And tap the Stop menu. Here it will automatically return to PowerPoint. Here there is also a video automatically the result of my recording earlier. Let's try to run the results. Type play. Now here you can see the recording results. Here we can also edit videos or cut them. The way to enter the menu. Playback. To the left. Select Trim Video. In this Trim Video section, we can edit. For example, I will cut the video, dance here. And when finished, tap OK. Now we can run the video. Okay, so this is the result of screen recording using PowerPoint. Screen recording in PowerPoint allows for clearer and more interactive information delivery. This feature is useful for creating tutorials, demonstrating steps, and speeding up the explanation process. In addition, screen recording can also be used for documentation, training, and independent learning. So that's it. Tutorial how to record screen in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.